Hi y'all, I hope y'all are doing well. I am doing an unboxing for another Chic Sparrow Traveler's Notebook. Evidently, what people say on YouTube about when you get one, you have to get another. So this is what's happening. So I'm so excited. Y'all know I don't do unboxings, but I wanted to I don't know, I just wanted to do it. So let's get to it. And y'all know that I cannot wait for these unboxings because I'm so impatient. So So it's got its beautiful card with the warranty information, and then the sticker says faith, hope, and love. Oh, I love that. Oh, such a beautiful sticker. Okay. I went with a bigger size this time because that little one is filling up really fast. So I thought I needed more space. Oh my goodness. Look how beautiful. Okay, so this is also in the Austin line and it's called Drummond. It's a rich, like maroon color is what it is. And now I did go ahead and go with the normal pen loop because this is mostly going to stay home. It's not something I'm going to throw in my purse. Now this one I definitely throw in my purse. It's got all kinds of scratches and dings and stuff. But that's what the Mr. Darcy collection is known for, but it's now called Austin. It's so confusing, but, well, not really to me, but anyway. So this has the 4 strands, of course. This one has 3 pockets. It's got extra room to put more of my ephemera and stickers and stuff. And a bigger pocket. Can I just say, it is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm so happy. Okay, I'm gonna do a more thorough review on this one. But this one doesn't have as many striation marks. It has some here, which I love it, you guys. I love the striation marks. It looks like marbling. But this one has some. Doesn't have that much here though, but that's okay. It's still beautiful though. Same type of leather as this one, so it is gonna. I haven't had this one for a month yet, and look at it. It's yeah. I mean, I can do a quick peek, I guess. So I put a little charm here, and it is packed, y'all. Like, I made these little thingies, and I made this right here. It just loops underneath this, and I made this, and I made this insert. Now my paper penguin order came in, but I haven't used them because I want to use this up first, but it is so super packed already, y'all. And it has this here. Okay, so enough about Mr. Darcy. We are focused on Drummond. So I'm so excited. I've already made my own insert. Well, I started it last night. It's not finished yet. But, okay, that's it. This is just going to be a short video, y'all. Just like that last one. This is a little bit longer because, I don't know. It has, of course, the cover. But yeah, I'm going to do a more detailed review on this. I'm so excited. It actually came a day before the shipping said it was supposed to come tomorrow, but it came today. So I'm excited. Okay, y'all, I'm getting off of here. Thanks again for watching, y'all. Hope y'all are well. Bye.